And here is he has a kayak right there. Kayak is here. They have 2 bike racks on the roof with the straps to pull up. What kind of thing?
Ceiling fan?
Yeah.
It's got a thermostat in it.
Oh yeah, this look like fantastic.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's a ROADTREK. It's a 170.
So in
2011.
11, it was cost 70,000, right?
Yeah, about 70,000.
Yeah.
Brand new. Brand new.
So this is incredible. This like really proven. He been all over the country here. So this is really cool.
It's like a Cadillac.
Automatic fridge.
Everything in there is original.
Wow. So see you guys, everything works since 2011. And you have a table here, swing swivel.
See those things over there? I put that there. There was another seat there.
Look guys, all these stickers. Incredible. Look at that. Everything neat and nice, like a military guy. Everything organized, and big pillow to hug.
And my backup camera.
Yeah, backup camera. Yeah, so you.
I didn't think it came back then with it.
No,
It was like the first model.
What kind of AC you guys?
That's a Dometic. It's a heat pump.
Heat
It's
pump.
heat and air conditioning.
Oh wow, cool.
That runs off the
Runs off the generator.
generator.
And
So does it have a thermostat? In other words, it'll start as it needs. It doesn't take much to heat these.
Yeah.
so beautiful, and we in Titusville, Florida, on the way to Merritt Island, and it's so cool. It's day use area, no overnight camping over there, but you can stay for the day. Hi guys, this is generator. It's Cummins. Yeah, so beautiful here.